Feel uninvited.
DeFi is the movement that leverages the decentralized networks to transform old financial products into trustless and transparent protocols that run without the intermediates. Right now, there are a number of DeFi tokens in the coin market cap, and here you can see the entire data of all these tokens. In this video, we are going to share each and everything about the Startera token. What is it all about? It is also a DeFi token. Startera is a smart contract powered index deflationary token IDT, which synergizes with a trustless and community driven portfolio of class leading cryptocurrencies. Every trade of Startera creates an arbitrage opportunity. Trading attracts the liquidity, which in turn attracts the trading liquidity ripples, and the supply of the STA decreases with time to time. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now, what is Startera all about? In this video, I will also tell you that how you can purchase this token right now and what will be the price prediction of STA. STA has some unique and exclusive features. STA is a deflationary STA core algorithm is designed to ensure that for every transaction 1% of the amount transacted is destroyed. Constant arbitrage trading opportunities keep Startera's portfolio weights and tokens in a constant ratio. Now in this picture, I will show you the picture, then you will understand each and everything. Now in this picture here you can see, you can understand the Startera very easily. Here you can see inside the balancer pool, an automated index fund. All tokens maintain a share of the portfolio value through the use of a smart contract portfolio manager. When an assets ratio increases relative to the others, the portfolio will rebalance itself by selling the tokens that has gained the value. This is accomplished by utilizing arbitrage opportunities in the external markets for the imbalanced tokens. Anyone can participate in the arbitrage by providing the liquidity. Here you can also see all the links of the social media where you can contact the team, and the team is there for you to answer each and every question of yours. If you want to buy this token, first of all you have to read each and everything about the project of Startera. And the best part, here you can also see the white paper, so you can easily open the white paper, and in white paper the team of Startera STA elaborate all the mission and the visions of the platform. And right now, if you want to buy this token, it is available on who.com, and also it is available on Hotbit Exchange, Uniswap, 1inch Exchange, and also on the Bamboo Relay. Right now, the best part, first of all, if you want to open each and everything, here you can find all the links, the website link, Explorer link, and also the Telegram link where you can talk with team directly. And the next part of the Startera, right now it is available in Hotbit Exchange, in USDT, and also in Ethereum pair. At this time the price is is in correction mode. At this time it is about minus 34.09% at this time at the making of the video, but definitely the price will increase, so it's your time to buy this token at very low price. And my own price prediction about the Startera is this. Here you can see the entire supply is going down day by day, so definitely the price will touch up to at least $3 to $4 in maximum next 2 to 3 months. So it's your time to grab this token at very low price. And if you want to buy this token directly from the Uniswap exchange, because it's a decentralized exchange, so you have to do one thing. You have to click on the Explorer, and here you can see the entire Explorer and also the contract address of the Startera. So simply you have to copy this one contract address, and then if you are not going to find the option of STA over here, simply you have to click over here, and then you have to paste the address, and here you can see the option of STA. Just click on the add icon, and easily you can purchase the STA token directly from the Uniswap exchange. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.